Hey guys, Rob here. We are staying at the Hard Rock, Atlantic City for a couple of days. We're in the North Tower. 3461 is the room. A nice ocean suite. Regina up at the front desk was very nice to upgrade me. She was awesome. And it's an awesome area. So let's take a look. Decent sized closet. Huge bathroom. Private bathroom, double sinks, nice shower, full length mirror, and we got the bed facing the South Tower. Okay, nice sized TV as always, desk area, and what a beautiful view. Nice view there from the bed, waking up. Not so much on the side, of course, you get the South Tower. So, but that's it. It's a nice, great upgrade. Thank you, like I said, to Regina at the front desk. Just ask for it. You never know, honestly, what you can get. Yeah, once again, her Hard Rock AC, North Tower, room 3461. Until next time, guys.